Hello friends, Bobton here from the electroworkshop.com, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about how electricity works. So I had found that this is an important part of all you guys who want to be following me, and for that I decided to start from an atom. So guys, I know you guys who have ended up school in the 5th grade or 7th grade have never heard of this, but an atom is the smallest particle of how things are made, and all materials are made from them. Materials are different from one another because of the construction of their atoms and its particles. So guys, inside an atom you find the nucleus holding the protons with a positive charge and the neutrons with no charge. And after this you find the orbital shells holding the electrons with a negative charge, which attracts to the positive charge of the protons. So these orbital shells are like flying paths for the electrons, and the electrons flow along these flying paths much like the planets revolve the universe. So the number of protons, neutrons and electrons determines the material it is. And the other thing guys I want to talk about is the valence shell. So the valence shell, this is the shell which exists furthest from the nucleus, and electrons from this shell's attraction to the positive charge of the protons tends to fade because of distance, which gives a permissible energy to the electron, so it breaks free and becomes a free electron, which is also called a valence electron. And this also helps to determine electrical properties of a material. So all materials that allow electrons to break free from the valence shell are known as conductors, and all materials that doesn't allow electrons to break free from the valence shell are known as the insulators, and these are things like glass and rubber. So we can combine these materials to safely use electricity by having the conductor in the center of an insulator, so we can restrict where electrons can flow to and not into us, which keeps us safe. So you will learn about all these things guys in the near future, where it will get interesting, and as well I can say you should be googling about all these stuff so you can understand it further. On top of it, thank you for watching. And as well, follow us from all our social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as YouTube. Thank you.